Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we will discuss demonstration of the pointed weapon and its medical legal importance. Myself, Dr. Dansing Mina, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, under the Faculty of Homeopathic Science. Today we will discuss demonstration of pointed weapon and its medical legal importance. The today's study of supplied pointed weapon. The objective of today's study is to find out the type of weapon, which type of injury is possible by it, and its medical legal importance. We will discuss one by one. First we will discuss nail or keel. Nail or keel. It is a small metallic weapon, cylindrical type, typical rod-shaped rigid piece, having one end is pointed and another is flat. Most possible injury is produced by this nail or keel is mainly produced by stab wound, mainly two piece. Penetration and puncture wound, penetrated and punctured stab wound can be possible by this keel, but perforation cannot be performed by this keel. An abrasion is also possible by this keel. Medical legal importance is mostly accidental cases during fitting in the ball. It is mainly happen, and rarely suicidal and homicidal cases occurs by this weapon. Boring needle or sewer. It is pointed, light weight metallic weapon, one end having pointed and another end having an opening for fiber or thread. By this sewer, stab wound, all three type of stab wound is possible. Punctured, penetrating or perforating type of stab wound can be possible by this sewer. Abrasion is also possible by this weapon. Medical legal importance is mostly accidental cases will found in our day-to-day medical legal practice. Occasionally we also found homicidal cases, but rarely suicidal cases occurs by this sewer. Needle. It is very small but dangerous weapon. It is a pointed, very light weight stainless steel. One end is sharply pointed, another end having one opening for thread. It's found in every household to stitch in the cloth, purpose for the stitches in the clothes. Most possible injuries produced by this needle is stab wound. Only penetration can be done by this needle, and abrasion is also produced by this needle. Medical legal importances are mostly accidental during stitching in the clothes. It's commonly happen in our community and also in our home. We can easily seen during our grandmothers to putting stitches in the clothes, and rarely suicidal and homicidal cases be found our day-to-day medical practice. Screwdriver. It is moderately heavy metallic weapon. One end is sharp and pointed, which is fitted in plastic fiber for handling purpose. Screwdriver is mainly made for purpose of screwing of the nails and keels to the wooden by the carpenters. Most possible injury by the screwdriver. Stab wound is produced by this screwdriver. all three type of step wound may be possible by this screwdriver, but mainly is punctured and penetrating type of step wound is possible. But is forcibly we can produce also perforating type of step wound. Mainly split like laceration is produced by this screwdriver. Incised wound is also possible by this screwdriver. Bruises and fracture of small bone can be occur by this screwdriver. Abrasion is also produced by this screwdriver. Medical legal importance. Mostly accidental cases we can find into our day-to-day practice, because during work of carpenter it's happen accidentally. Occasionally homicidal cases is also happen, and rarely suicidal cases we found in our practice. Last but not the least, Gathi. It is heavy, sharp, pointed metallic weapon having true pointed end, two pointed end, which is fitted in a wooden handle. Gathi having two pointed ends, which is mainly a purpose for the digging of soil by the farmers. Possible injury by the Gathi is step wound is produced by this Gathi. All three type of step wound can be produced, but mainly perforating type of step wound is produced by this Gathi. Laceration and especially split like laceration is produced by this wooden handle of Gathi. Chopped wound can be possible by this wooden handle. Skull fracture is also possible by this Gathi, and bruises and abrasion is also produced by this Gathi. Medical legal importance of Gathi is mostly accidental as well as homicidal cases is found. Accidental cases is also found in day-to-day practice. Rarely suicidal cases is found for Gathi injury or suicidal cases of Gathi which produced by the Gathi. Thank you very much for listening to this series of weapon. I have covered all three topics, main three topics: blunt weapon, sharp weapon, and today I have finished pointed weapon. Thank you.